What's the meaning of Big Mac? Big Mac. Big Mac.
Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac is a term that refers to a popular hamburger sandwich sold by the fast food chain McDonald's. The sandwich consists of 2 beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, onions, pickles, and a sesame seed bun. It was first introduced in 1967 and has since become one of the most recognizable fast food items in the world. The Big Mac has also been used as a cultural reference point. For example, in the 1980s, The Economist magazine created the Big Mac Index as a way to measure purchasing power parity between different countries. Overall, the Big Mac is a ubiquitous and iconic symbol of American fast food culture.